Chocolate consumption is expected to record the highest percentage growth from emerging middle-income markets, including India, indicating the strong positive correlation between GDP per capita and confectionery. India and China have two of the lowest per capita consumption levels globally, so perhaps they offer the greatest long-term growth potential, analysts say. India is forecast to deliver a compounded annual growth rate CAGR of 9% in confectionery over 2014 to 2019, according to Euromonitor, with chocolate confectionery driving over two-thirds of the absolute growth in a market dominated by Mondelez, market share of 55%. Cadbury was rechristened Mondelez India after its US-based parent Mondelez International acquired the former globally in 2010. Euromonitor data shows that 4 of the top 5 strongest growing confectionery categories are chocolate SKUs, stock-keeping units. Consumers in both developed and emerging markets are increasingly turning towards premium chocolate, with tablets in particular seeing strong growth and fine flavor, origin-specific cocoa and responsible sourcing all being key drivers. Tastes are changing in countries like China, with demand from younger consumers moving from chocolate-coated snacks to block chocolate. Chocolate is expected to continue to be the fastest growing subcategory of confectionery, accounting for around 60% of the increase in absolute retail sales in 2014 to 19. The price mix has played an important role in confectionery growth, accounting for almost two-thirds of retail sales growth in 2000 to 2014. Premiumization has played a role in this strong price mix, a strong link between rising per capita income and trading up through confectionery categories from entry-level hard candy to premium chocolate. The strong correlation between per capita income and per capita consumption of confectionery should be supportive of growth in emerging markets, which are expected to deliver the bulk of category growth over the next 5 years.